What's up, YouTube? How you doing? You good? Me, I am chilling and I am back with yet another video. Yes! So as you can see from the title and all of this goodness I have sitting on my head here, okay, we are here with yet another wash and go video. Is she doing too much? She never does too much, okay? I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, but let's go ahead and get into this wash and go, honey. And then at the end of the wash and go series or whatever, at the end of the wash and go portion, stay tuned so I can tell you guys how this gel actually worked for my hair. But from the smile, you can clearly see that I am truly satisfied, okay? So let's jump right into the video. But before we do that, if you are new here, do me one little favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, just wanted to let you know that I see you, boo. But let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, so I have already pre-sectioned my hair right now. We're just gonna start in the back. My hair is really, it's not wet, it's like damp. My hair is damp right now, so it's time to re-soak this bad boy, like get it in there. It's not wet enough at all. Going to go in with my coconut whip leave-in conditioner from Pure. A whole lot of that, you know, especially when I'm doing my wash and goes. I'm not a pro or nothing, but when I'm doing my wash and goes, I like to have them I like to have my hair drenched in product, like weighed down in product, 'cause shrinkage be too real. And this is the only cream that I'm adding, so it's going to be the leave-in, the oil, and then the gel that I'm using for today. So I'm really going to apply a lot of this leave-in conditioner just to make sure that my hair is really, really saturated with it. All right, let's section this bad boy off. I want to make sure it's really detangled. We got our olive oil on deck. Yeah, I know I need to get another bottle. This does not go in the kitchen, y'all, so don't worry, okay? Just a little bit. I gotta get me one of them oil dispenser bottles, see, because that was way too much oil. All right, so the gel we are using today is the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. All right, y'all know I'm new to this wash and go thing, so this little wash and go series that I'm trying out because I really enjoyed my last wash and go. So I'm just gonna be trying out gels, all right? This is the consistency. Can y'all see that? It's very creamy. Oh Lord, it's very creamy. It's not like, it don't feel jelly to me. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, let's. Y'all see? Okay. That was 2 pumps, y'all. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, so I will be applying as much as necessary. Don't forget them roots. You got to always get them roots. Okay, so that's another pump. This gel smells amazing. All right, it clumps together very well. I don't know what the whole is like. It's very like, it's not, I don't know, because it ain't doing nothing for this section right here. Tell me this ain't gonna be a fail. Let me read this, and then it say apply a liberal amount. It don't say what kind of style it's gonna give you. It don't give you no specifics. We're gonna apply some more. Say apply a liberal amount now. This gel wasn't cheap, so I don't wanna be applying too much. But it do say apply a liberal amount. All right, there we go. You got it. Oh no, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. All right, we got some curl definition going on here. Definitely got to put a whole lot on it though, but it is curling. Can y'all see that? I hope these angles is working. If not, I'll get y'all another shot. All right, moving on to the next section. Y'all, this smells so good. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so we're gonna put some oil on this section. All right, just a little some. See, it's clumping together. It's curling. I see some curls in there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let's go ahead and keep on going. Applying a lot. Like that's a lot of gel. All right, so when you apply a lot of this gel, it clumps really, really, really well. Okay, I don't know what the hold is like, but we shall see. Yeah, I know my washing goes is a 2-day process because I got to stretch this bad boy, and I ain't no pro with the heat stretching yet. Ooh, them curls is cute. It's cute. Look at that one. Yeah, see that? It's cute. All right, let's keep on going, and we're gonna finish this section off. All right, y'all, so I'm finished with this section over here. I'm liking how the curls are clumping together. It's very, very pretty. I do have to use a lot of gel. So I am going to finish the other 2 sections of my hair and then come back on camera when I'm back in the front of my hair so y'all can see the curls in the front as they be popping. Oh, so yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is what we are looking like right now at this very moment. I am going to defuse. I did do a little shaky shake, okay? Did a little shaky shake, but I didn't do that on camera. You know, all my equipment around here is a little too expensive, okay? So I'm not gonna be shaking no product and no gels is all over this room, okay? So I left the room, shook my hair, and now I'm about to defuse for the purpose of this video, and yeah. So this is what we are looking like right now. I am loving this. Okay, your girl is feeling herself. All right, so yeah, we're about 80% dry, give or take here and there. The roots are still really, really damp. but these curls is popping. Okay, can you see my curls are popping? See, let's show you some, okay? Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Like, y'all see? Can you see? Do you see what is taking place right now? Can you see? I'm trying to find y'all a really, really good one. Look, y'all. OMG. There we go. There they go right there. There they go. There they go. OMG. Yes, Lord. Okay, so let's just get into this gel while I still remember, baby. The hold on this bad boy right here is something oh so serious. You see the little curl action I have going on right here? Okay. Anywho, the hold on this bad boy is so real, all right? Like, and it's not even 100% dry, but I can just feel that it's going to be crunchy. But it's okay, because once I stretch my hair out, the first day of my wash and go, this is what we look like. The second day is stretched out, and you guys will see that right in a few. Let's just get into this gel some more, okay? So, y'all, I used a lot of this. And I don't remember how much it costs right now, but I did use a lot of it. I did. It's an enhanced curl definition like this. I am really, like, why did it take me so long to start doing wash and goes? Like, what, if you are out there, all right, and you are discouraged about your wash and go, listen, Linda, okay, it's okay. You just got to get past the first day here, unless you're down for stretching it with heat. And the second day, like, and if you got curls and you just afraid of a wash and go, there is no room for that no more. Okay, there's no room for that anymore. Okay, like, I'm really upset that I just now started doing wash and goes. Like, can y'all see, like, the definition on these on my head is absolutely bonkers. All right, this is a good gel. And when it comes to definition, I'm gonna get about 3 uses out of this. I have to remember how much this costs. By the time I see y'all tomorrow, I'll be done looked up how much it costs, and I'll be able to tell you that. So we're just going to go into the next clip. All right, you guys. So clearly you see that I am filling this wash and go hair. Okay, yes, this is stretched hair. This is the second day. Y'all know I stretched my hair. Y'all already seen that process. If you haven't seen that process, I'll link it right here, and it will be down in the description box below on how I stretch my hair. But let's go ahead and get into the details of this gel, honey. This is the first time that I have used this gel. Y'all know this whole wash and go series is all new to me, so everything is going to be his first time except for Eco Styler. I've been an Eco Styler girl, but I just haven't been an Eco Styler wash and go girl, so that's neither here nor there. Let's talk about Mielle, okay? Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel smells amazing, first of all, okay? It's not like the consistency of any other gel that I've ever used before, okay? It feels it's very like creamy. It's not like any of the other gels that I've ever used, but baby, honey boo boo child, let me tell you something, okay? The hold on this bad boy here, the crunch level on this bad boy here is extremely serious, like extremely serious, like scary serious, okay? So if you're not afraid of crunch, this gel right here is for you. Oh, I'm sorry. That was bad publishing or whatever. This gel right here is for you. Now, if you do not like crunch, you do not like that extreme, okay, if it do something to you, stay away from this bad boy, or don't use as much as I used. Cause your girl did go a little AWOL or ham, whatever, okay? She went ham on a product, but the crunch, like here, I wish I had a mic. My mic don't get here the next week, but the crunch on this bad boy, like, this is definitely going to last all week. I honestly feel like if you have a hold the way that this bad boy holds, like, there's no reason why your wash and go shouldn't last long at all. So, but can y'all get into these curls though? Get into it. Get into it. Are y'all getting it? Are you getting it? Let me see. All right. The curls are popping. The movement is there, okay? Y'all, I really enjoy doing these. I'm so excited to bring you guys so many more wash and go videos, just so many more styling videos. Your girl is back, okay? You didn't get a video last week, but don't worry about that, okay? There was a lot going on. And we'll talk about it sometime this week in one of these videos. There was a lot going on and it was just too much, okay? But your girl is back. She got put on a little 7-day hiatus, but she's back nonetheless. Once again, I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Hopefully this video was not too long and hopefully you enjoyed it. But this is the end. Until next time, please feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. Until next time, bye. Get into this face, right? Y'all remember, you gotta get into this head, but don't forget about this face, okay? Don't sleep on it. Don't. Okay, I'm done. She'll be here all day. All right, I'm sorry.